Hello and welcome on a different platform. How exciting is this? So for my first video, I thought I might do one of my most requested videos of all time, which is like an in-depth everyday makeup tutorial, mine, obviously. And this includes the eyebrow tutorial and the lashes. Yeah, everything. First and foremost, eyebrows. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil, the e.l.f. Ultra Precise. I don't know what it says, but the color is cool brown. Honestly, I would say the most important thing about doing your eyebrows is making sure that it's like straight until you get to the arch. I just like to draw a really thin line. And then I'll go ahead and fill her in as well. And the same goes for like plucking your eyebrows too. I do mine at home because I don't trust anybody, because one time I went to get my eyebrows waxed. First and only time I've ever done that. I was like a freshman in high school and the lady literally waxed off this part of my eyebrow and it never really grew back. And the same goes for the top as well as the bottom, like straight across here, straight across here. Straight line. And I just fill it in. Ta-da! Now we have eyebrows. This is just the Anastasia clear eyebrow gel. It's lash time, my favorite time. Recently I've been using the Vava Lash Ivy set. It comes with a bond and seal and a remover, but I use the bond and seal it comes with and then also this Kiss strip lash glue, basically. I like to curl my lashes a little bit beforehand and then put like the thinnest coat of mascara. Usually like an old, crusty, disgusting mascara like this one. Very, very slight difference. The lash map for these, 2 12s, a 10, and an 8. Okay, basically we're gonna take our tiny lash and then put a thin coat of lash glue on it. I feel like this just really helps them stay longer because I wear these for a couple days. It should look like this. All right, we're gonna take our bond and I'm just gonna put it on like the base of my eyelashes, not the tips. Just start putting them on. How cute. The lashes have been applied. They're looking cute. This is the Makeup by Mario shaping stick. No! Shaping stick in medium dark. We're just gonna put that everywhere. Okay, we're gonna start off with about yay much. My little e.l.f. brush and my e.l.f. setting spray. I feel like this works a lot better to blend out if you put setting spray in the brush first. My biggest fear is my jaw contour like not being blended enough, because that's just, it's happened to me before, okay? And it wasn't pretty. Next up on the docket, concealer. Concealer scares the shit out of me because my skin doesn't like it. I have to be perfectly exfoliated and moisturized for this to work. But I recently found this concealer, the House Labs one. Best one I've ever tried in my whole life, but I have to blend it with my finger with any concealer and then like slowly, one section at a time. Can you see this? I don't know what it looks like, but yeah, she's that girl. That actually went really well. Really excited about how that turned out. Fit Me powder in Fair. This is also in 01 Fair. It's gonna be a good day when my concealer looks good. One of these is going on my face. Glisten Cosmetics Terracotta Pots. These are really pigmented, so be careful. And I need a little bit on my nose. This is the Patrick Ta Bronzer Duo. I don't recommend this. I don't like this at all. I don't like either of these formulas. I also think I got a shade a little bit too light, but I paid a lot of money for it, so I'm going to continue to use it until it runs out. Essence has like a bronzer palette, like a 4 square bronzer palette. Buy that, 100 times better than this. This is a really, really old Ofra blush in Sweet Stuff. I like to focus it more out here, but I still like bringing it across my nose like this. Jumping back to my eyes for a second, I'm literally just gonna take my eyebrow pencil and draw a tiny little wing. Eyebrow pencils are very forgiving, so that's why I like using this rather than an eyeliner. And just a tiny bit on my outer corner. Bottom mascara. The Anastasia Amarezzi highlight. Ooh, my favorite for years. I love adding more freckles, and this is the Marilia Scott Fake Freckle one. It's so old and disgusting and nearly decrepit. And the packaging looks different now, but I'm still gonna use it. I like to contour my nose a little bit with this, just right here and right here. And then just start going in. And we're gonna try and cover my double lip line. Sometimes this works out, sometimes it looks really dumb. You know what? Good enough for me. This is a Flower Nose Dark Angel. And now I'm freaking out a little because this is a little too brown. So we're gonna add some blush. Perfect! Okay. Okay, this is the finished result. Do I look super awesome? Okay, how did this go for my first video? Be nice. Please, I'm sensitive. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future and subscribe. Or you hate me and want me to die. Okay, love you. Bye. It's gonna go 4K up my nose or what?